Hi, I'm Keylee and this is Jared.
What's up?
It's officially day one of our over 7 months backpacking trip in Asia. We're currently in Incheon Airport in South Korea, about to fly to Vietnam. Look at Air Korea. Wow. We just made it through immigration. A 27-hour-long travel day has finally ended. Actually, it hasn't ended. We have a whole day here now because it's like 11 a.m. But we are here after 27 hours. We're taking bus 86 from the airport. It was $50,000 per person. You can use card or cash. That is the outside of our Airbnb. It is technically day 3 of our whole backpacking trip because day 1 and 2 were travel. So this is our full first day in Hanoi and I have like no clothes. I'm wearing something mismatched right now. So I need to go buy some clothes and we're gonna go to a coffee shop and maybe the lake. We're gonna see. We're gonna explore the city some. Trying a coffee. Jared got himself some Arc'teryx pants. They were like $550,000, which is like $25. We got these for $680, the Evo SL Adizeros.
Yep.
So they were like 26-ish.
Very close to the real thing.
They look the same to me.
They're literally the exact same.
We're about to go eat at Pizza 4Ps. We tried to come earlier and just walk in and we needed a reservation, so we had to like sign up. And it took an hour, and now we're gonna go see if they have a spot ready for us. Trying pho in Vietnam. I got my Solomons for 1.1, so they were like $41. These are the shoes. There's a couple of rough spots, not gonna lie, but I think once I get some dirt on them, they'll look pretty normal. So it is day 4 in Hanoi. We are about to head to the gym, test out our shoes for the first time. And then we're gonna come back, shower, get ready, and I have some stuff on the to-do list. I need to find clothes. I still haven't bought clothes. Yeah. Also, I do like this water bottle. I don't know if it's like protected me, but water tastes good. And before we do that, we're gonna eat a quick little convenience store breakfast. And it was $590, which is like $22, which is not cheap.
Chicken, pork, and pate. We got cucumbers, carrots. It's fire.
Got some jorts. It is day 5. We are currently in the little alleyway that leads to our Airbnb. That's why it looks like this. We're gonna go get some donuts and then go to a mall so that I can get some clothes because I still haven't got clothes. I still have no clothes yet. Yeah.
Been wearing the same shirt for 3 days.
$30,000 for a coconut. Another unsuccessful clothing trip, but I have a coconut. Here's a little look at what some of the bills look like. They all have this on the front. But yeah. All the higher up ones, like these, are all like a plasticky material, and then the small ones are like paper. So I never really gave an update earlier. That donut place was closed, so I'm gonna try to go a different day. Right now we're gonna get something to eat and head to a market. I don't quite know how to pronounce it. I think it's Dongchuan Market. Round 2. kind of forgot to record an intro for today, but we ate at this really good place. I had like a wonton soup and Jared had a meat dish. It was pretty good. And then we walked around, shopped some more, got a massage. We're currently waiting for our Pizza 4P's reservation because we liked it so much that we wanted it again before we leave. And I had to go to the pharmacy to get like some lozenges because my throat hurts. Pretty sure it's because of the like pollution and smoke and stuff and not me being sick, hopefully. They aren't working that well though. My throat is hurting pretty bad. Also, I just used one of the squad toilets for the first time and I had wet wipes, I had sanitizer. It went great. If I did not have those things, it would not have went great. We're gonna go eat at Tambi, which is a Michelin-starred restaurant, and go to the Temple of Literature, which we were supposed to do the other day but didn't get to. Yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do, but explore the city more.
We're the same outfit.
Wasn't anything crazy, but it was good. I would give it like a 5 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Today we are leaving Hanoi and going to Cat Ba Island, so that's the end of this video. Hanoi has been amazing. We are going to come back here for another 2 nights after we go to Cat Ba and Ninh Bình. We're going to come back to Hanoi, so we won't be staying in this Airbnb. It's pretty nice, but for the price I found a lot of better options in the area, and the one that we're going to be staying in when we come back for those 2 nights is a lot nicer, and it's also technically cheaper. It was just booked when I originally booked for these first days, so there's no reason for me to not recommend it except for the fact that you can get much better quality at the same price. But it's a good area. I liked it. The shower was a little rough, not gonna lie, but yeah, the Airbnb is going to be linked down in the description, and all of the prices for everything we spent while we were here in Hanoi is going to be on the screen, so pause to see that. Thank you so much for watching.